What's up, Better Days? Today we are on the East Fork Stones River. This is Mona Boat Ramp. I'm with my buddy Will. We're gonna paddle upstream. There's a little bit of current, so there should be some white bass this time of year. I have this thing, it's by Accurite, you know, the company that makes all the thermometers and stuff. I call it a fish-o-meter. It's a scale of 1 to 10, or 0 to 10. And it shows you according to, you know, the moon phase and the pressure, barometric pressure, what it thinks the fishing would be like. And it had yesterday and today just awful.
Really?
Yeah. Today was a 2 out of 10.
So is that just for like you put in specific places, or is that just?
There we go. I got my first fish of the day. Gosh, it's been hard. And this is spotted? No, a largemouth. Oh, come here. Yeah, he's all over the place. So he's a little largemouth bass. Doo-doo-doo-doo. Look at this guy. He's got a touch of the whirling disease already.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, get that crooked back.
I guess you were right with that spot.
I'm sitting in this big dumb tree. I need to get out of here.
I'm surprised nothing's sitting right there either.
Yeah. Me too. There's this perfect ledge right under it. Right under the surface of the water. It should hold fish, but... There we go. Did you see that?
Yeah, I saw you under.
Oh, did you see? I missed him. It was under. Nobody home.
I thought you had one at first.
Oh, yeah.
I'm trying to tell you about it.
There we go. Second fish of the day. Oh, he just barely hooked. Come here, Net. I might not get this fish in. Looks like a good largemouth. Yeah, largemouth. Rooster tail. Get this damn rooster tail hook out of here. He was hooked pretty good. There we go. Nice largemouth bass. Good guy. Nice guy. And that's running this white rooster tail along these rocks. That's what I thought. I saw a little action.
My slack tightened up and that was it.
Yeah.
I'm surprised everything's even hitting this, honestly, man.
I think they're getting a little heated up. There we go. Another largemouth. No, that's a spotted. Crazy orange eyes on it.
Got another one?
Yeah. There we go. There's a beautiful little spot. Nice guy. Got a good one. White bass. No way. Oh my God. He absolutely choked the rooster tail. There he is, white bass. But look where the rooster tail is. He swallowed it, absolutely took it all the way down. We're gonna have to do some. Guess what?
There you go.
Guess who got it with his pocket knife? Man, I didn't even cut this fish. Look at there.
That's a good looking one.
That's like the perfect size white bass. Look how fat that freaking tail is. That's why they fight so strong.
Let me get a picture of that one.
Sure, buddy.
There we go.
Okay. You know, I don't think it matters.
Not at this point.
In my experience, nah, when a fish is ready to hit, they don't pay much attention to what else is going on around them, you know?
Yeah.
Look at that though, Will. See how tight I've got that there?
Yeah.
They're just in all of these little cracks and crevices. Matter of fact, a lot of times I'll put my paddle in the water and give myself a little propulsion towards the way I want to go, and then make a cast and then hook up with a monster. Yeah. They don't care. No, all that stuff oh, there he is. Got one. What did I just say? I will make a few paddles. They don't care. This is a largemouth bass.
Man, they are babies today, that's for sure.
Well, look, man, when it's a tough day,
take what you can get.
I'm gonna do everything I can to catch some fish. That's right. Yeah. Everything I can. And what did I tell you? I said, look, make a few paddles, it doesn't matter. They'll still bite. And then boom, I caught a fish.
For sure.
Mm-hmm.
And them little rooster.
So that's the East Fork Stones River. That comes down from Walter Hill area to this Mona boat ramp. And this was just a short morning trip just to get acquainted with the kayaks. Just out seeing if we couldn't make something happen. We did. We had a good time. Thanks for watching. You guys have a better day.